ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी।
Afternoon, everyone. I am Farhan Siddiqui. You are watching SCRS News. On the occasion, we are at located Alpha Comedy School, Rabareli Road, nearest landmark petrol pump. So we are talking about a Republic Day. What's your good name?
My good name is Roshni.
In which class do you read?
I study in class 8.
Which school you are studying?
I studied at Alpha Comedy School.
Why do you celebrate Republic Day?
We celebrate Republic Day because our constitution came at force.
What message do you want to give on Republic Day?
My message through your channel to everyone that work hard for your target, believe in your stand and get progress.
Can you tell me about Mahatma Gandhi?
Mahatma Gandhi was a very great person. He played an important role for freedom. Thank you.
What's your good name?
My name is Rahil Khan.
Which class you study?
I study in class 7B.
Which school you are studying?
I am studying at Alpha College School.
Why do you celebrate Republic Day?
We celebrate Republic Day because our constitution came into force and our India become a great freedom and our Indian become democratic, sovereign and republic nation.
So what is your message on Republic Day?
My message on Republic Day to all students: believe yourself, work hard and be smart working.
Best quality of Mahatma Gandhi.
The Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter. She played an important role to our constitution.
What's your good name?
Rishabh Gupta.
Which school you are studying?
I study in Alpha Convent School.
Why do you celebrate Republic Day?
We celebrate Republic Day because Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar and his constituency assembly successfully made our constitution.
About Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi was a great personality. He played an important role for his independence.
What's your good name?
My name is Manas Vina.
Which school you are studying?
I am studied in Alpha Convent School.
Which class you are studying?
I studied in class 6.
Can you tell me why do you celebrate Republic Day?
We celebrate Republic Day because our freedom fighters and many more peoples to make constitution and every.
So what is your message on Republic Day?
My message on students and elders and my brothers and sisters to work hard for your goals and achieve your goals. Thanks. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
What's your good name?
My name is Sharp Tapsi.
Which school you are studying?
I am studying in a secondary school.
Why do you celebrate Republic Day?
We celebrate Republic Day because on 26 January 1950, Indian law came into enforcement and India became a democratic, sovereign and republic nation.
So what is your message on Republic Day?
My message is to everyone to be attentive to achieve your goals and be attentive to achieve your goals and
Come about Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter and also known as the father of nation. He played a significant role in independence of India. Thank you.
What's your good name?
My name is Akhil Maurya.
Which school you are studying?
I study in Alpha Convent School.
Which is why do you celebrate Republic Day?
We celebrate Republic Day because the Constitution of India was came into effect and we got the words sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic.
So what is your message on Republic Day?
My message to students from my behalf to students of Republic Day, I wish that every student should work hard and achieve his dream.
About Mahatma Gandhi?
He was a great freedom fighter, also known as Bapuji.
So introduce yourself.
Myself is Muhammad Atahar and I am an English teacher as well as a counselor in this school, and for 19 years at least I have been teaching English.
So why do you celebrate Republic Day?
Republic Day is celebrated because our India, became democratic as well as secular country, and this day, brought justice, brotherhood, and freedom to all, and everybody has got the importance of justice, brotherhood.
So what's your message on Republic Day?
My message is to every Indian that every Indian should follow the constitution, traffic rules, regulations, and all, and so that there should be very good discipline and in all over India, and along with it, and there should be similarity among the people.
So in your school, I'm talking about the children wants to be like you there. So what his children's suggestions to improve our English like you there?
I'm very happy when you were just talking that they want to just be like me, and every student has this ideal, है ना? So maybe that I would also just be ideal for some students, and maybe that I would not be just ideal for some students. But students actually like the quality of teachers. What if teachers are polite, humble, and teachers are teaching well and working hard with the students, and those teachers are just being ideal for the students, and teachers must feel that they are just like a brother, sister, and guardian for the students. है ना? There should be no just any kind of uh, uh, ill feeling towards the students, है ना? Because the students come here to study, and so there should be a friendly atmosphere in the school, and so the classes will run smoothly then.
Is also running for a racial like Uncha Road.
Mhm.
So Asian also teach foreign English. So what is your message to our children?
Actually, you were just talking about ACL. So ACL was just set up in 2006, and on Friday, and I started my career, and but in starting I was just not being success, in that field because I was just new, and students were not just understanding the value of the spoken language. But gradually, just I got success, and I taught more than 5 to 6,000 students, and most of my students have been just teaching in English medium schools, and some of them have just got the selection also in government sectors. And so for 19 years, I have just taught a lot of students, boys and girls, and they have just took a better, advantage of ACL, And you are also the student of
Yeah.
ACL.
So I think a lot of schools in Saloni areas there.
Yeah.
So according to you, who's the best?
I won't say that what is the best, but it depends on the person. है ना? Maybe that you like Alpha or not, you like any other school or not, and it is a personal choice, individual choice. And but as for I can just see that Alpha is just really going number one, in our local area at Salon, because the students give priority, students like, and uh, Alpha Convent School has been providing, English medium education to the students along with a lot of contents, है ना? And because in assembly, daily newspaper is read, and students are addressed daily, and the days are also celebrated, and to just teach the students ethically and morally, है ना? Not only just intellectually, but a lot of subjects are also just being taught in proper and in a classroom, because we have this top level faculties of physics, English, and SST, and mathematics, biochemistry, and teachers are well because we just follow the rules and norms of ICSE and CICSE board. है ना? If teachers they do not have just eligibility criteria according to the norms of ICSE board, so we just don't finalize them, है ना, in interview, and so our selection is the best, and our interview process is very easy and very fair.
So last question is, what is your plan on Republic Day for the school?
Our plan, for 2 days, teachers and students have been just going very busy to prepare a lot of culture programs, speeches, and decoration and all. And so on 26th of Jan, we are just going to celebrate 26th of Jan proudly on this assembly ground.
Introduce yourself.
Thank you, sir. I, Shraddha Srivastava from Alpha Convent School, and today I wish you all a very happy Republic Day.
What is your message on Republic Day?
My message to every Indians and those who are listening to me, be unite, work hard for your target, and as Mahatma Gandhi has said, that is the favorite quote, जो जैसा सोचता है और करता है वह वैसा ही बन जाता है. And I am going to some lines for all the Indians. ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी. है मेरे वतन के लोगों. जय हिंद, जय भारत.